Oh my goodness, Steve, you got all kinds of birds on you. How cool. They won't bite you, they just want your drink. Avery Bode, look at it.
Oh my god.
Don't worry. Don't worry, he won't hurt you.
They're all coming towards you. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. Bite me.
He's not gonna bite you. He's not gonna bite you.
Hold this level. Scaring me, Dada.
He's not gonna hurt you. Oh, he just took a dump.
Daddy, no, I don't have it. Daddy, can you get it off me? How are you hold it?
Alright, Daddy, you hold
it.
Okay, he's off you now. Just chill out.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Dada! Ow!
Okay. Yeah.
Ow!
You okay? Want me to get him off of you?
It's scary.
He just being friends with you. Oh, hello. Hello, birdie. Hi.
Alright, I'm ready to get out of here.
That was weird.
Avery Bode, was that fun?
That was tricky.
You do, oh yeah, he said thank you so much for that food.
When it be all,
Brayden, okay?
Okay, do you want me to take it from you, Avery?
I think she wants me to.
Ow.
They're not going to come to us if you don't hold it.
Ow. Hey, little weasel. Why are you biting me? Ow.
I'm done.
Okay. Here. Put it in my hand. Hold on.